Okay, let's try this one more time. So the other day I posted a video saying if this video gets the top comment on this video will choose my cosmetic as a 50 subscriber celebration. And so that video didn't do very well, so I'm redoing it. And so if you want to win, here are the rules. So you comment down below what cosmetic you should think I should get, and if it gets the most likes and replies to it, it will be hearted, and then I will post a video of me buying it and wearing it. Depending on what it is, it could become my new main cosmetic. And so I just reposted this to see if me brunching and being more entertaining would get me more views and comments. So please comment down below what you think I should get, and let's see who wins.